But put my wagon out here. Pretty good sized little lot. We're gonna have 4 of them that size. We have 5-foot walkways between them, every one of them, so we can run the dog in here. Should be pretty nice. Got the camper uncovered. There she is. I still got to put the window in the door, build a chicken roast, get the tin on. But we'll be right back. Got all these little babies. They're not happy. Might be too warm. We turn the burger off. Whoa! Whoa! I just run out and fell on his noggin. Ah! Well, hold on a minute. We got our little babies in there. I think we got 16 in there. Daisy, are these your babies? Daisy.
It's your baby, Daisy.
She's camera shy. But then we got we probably got keep my fingers out of the way. Petals, what are you doing? What are you doing? That's Petals and Daisy, chicken dogs. That in there is Great Pyrenees and Labrador mix, and she is a Shih Tzu and Yorkie. She's a Shorkie. Wanna go in? Come on. And we got, let's see, we got babies trying to hatch. They're talking. We got a bunch of peepers. These are Easter eggers and black copper morans. Then we got them Easter eggers and black copper morans. Now over here we got yeah, don't pay no attention to the house. We got a bunch in that one. But
You got 2 of them not recognized.
yeah. Alright, we'll catch y'all later. Don't forget about the DJI Mini drawing. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, hope everybody jumps in, comment DJI Mini or just DJI. That's all you gotta do is comment that way. And subscribe, like, share, and we're eventually gonna get better. It takes us a little while, but we'll get it. And hope all y'all have a good day. I ever get used to using these cameras, but y'all have a good day. Catch you later.